What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm here with Katherine, my wife. Not too long ago we revealed that we are pregnant. And guess what? Today we're going to show you a room tour, maybe gender reveal, yeah, and some other things. So, gender reveal first.
Okay, so we did this thing called sneak peek, and I've seen a lot of videos of it on YouTube. So if you've been pregnant before, or you know someone who's been pregnant, you've probably heard of it. They're supposed to be really accurate. We went to a clinic and they took my blood, and it was somewhere around 9 weeks, and they said that it is
A girl.
a little girl.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited. I was kind of scared at first because of all of the recent babies that have been born. We have 6 nephews, you know? And so I'm like, well, what's wrong with us?
They're all boys.
Yeah, but now some time has gone by and stuff, and we have the anatomy scan on August 20th. And if they tell me it's a boy, I'm gonna freak out. Like,
yeah, because we call her. We don't say it's a baby, because it's a 99% chance it's a girl.
She's a girl.
So
yeah.
we're pretty much set for it. So it'll be pretty big shock.
Well, I'm part of this like pregnancy group thing, and they've almost all of them have been accurate, especially if it was a girl. But today was the only day one said she got a girl, and the ultrasound says boy. But the ultrasounds can be wrong too sometimes.
And this is why that 1% we kind of buying this neutral things right now, and then once we are 100% sure, then we're going to start buying the girly stuff.
Yeah, it's looking pretty masculine in here. But I mean, we already knew we were doing space theme no matter what. She's my little astronaut. All of our children are going to be astronauts. And so
yeah,
they just don't sell pink astronaut stuff.
They really don't.
So blue astronaut stuff, and we'll put flowers somewhere.
Why don't we do a quick room tour? Because there's not a lot. It's still work in progress, but we have done a lot.
Yeah, especially this last week, we got the blue carpets, kind of tied everything together.
And set up the crib and all everything. But yeah, it's a lot of work. This is just beginnings of it. So will be a lot more work, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Okay, let's get to it.
Yeah. So as you guys know, that before baby comes, there's usually a large list of things that you need to do before baby comes. And one of those things on the list was to get a security system up and running. And I'm a little bit ashamed that we haven't had anything for the 5 years that we've lived here. You know, we have dogs and things like that, but we go out of town and you just never know. So that was one of the #1 things on my list, was getting home security. And I couldn't believe a week ago it was from a random source, not even our business email, that reached out to us and said, would you like to work with Simply Safe? I was like, yes, please. Yes, please. So they sent us a box like this big. It's not that very big. And they said there's like 20 items in there. I couldn't believe my eyes. And it took us less than an hour to set everything up. And it's not just security. They sent all types of really cool extra things.
We'll talk about them in a second.
So thank you to them for sponsoring this video and keeping our house safe. So we are now monitored 24 hours a day. And if anything happens, they make sure that the police get called.
They said here, simply come video doorbell. All I have to do is press it, and they will call it to my phone, and I will be able to see who is by my door, and I can talk to them through the bell. There is a glass break sensor, very easy to install. And tip, place your glass break sensor within 5 to 10 feet of windows. Very easy. Next I got here beautiful Simply Cam. It's motion activated and it was very easy to set up. I got 3 sensor. You can put it in the basement by the pipes. It works inside of the house. It snows here a lot, so it will be useful. When I moved to the house, it took me almost 6 months to realize none of my smoke detectors work. So they also have a smoke detectors too. I got panic button in my bedroom. All I have to do is press and hold for 2 seconds and police will be called. Super easy to install motion sensor. Boom. Set up my very sleek and tiny entry sensor. Plug in ready, simply save home base. Set up my keypad and I have my key fobs too. When I get home, all I have to do is press home, off, away. Super simple, and I got 2 of them. Oh, by the way guys, if power is out, all these devices are going to work even without power, which is big relief here in the mountains. So if you want to keep your home and family safe for just 50 cents a day, no contract, check out Simply Save by following my link or check out links in description below. Okay, overview shot of baby room. As you can see, we have a bunch of mats, playground toys, crib over there, and we're going to leave the bed right here. I just put the blanket right now because sun is overexposed and everything. That just temporarily, so you guys can see what's going on. We got right here laundry baskets, and they made like a rocket ship, and this right here like a planet. Boom, very cool, isn't it? Then we got right here a little playground chair with all these rockets and stuff. It goes up and down, opens, and there's little things inside of them. I really like that a lot, son. And then another one, planets and stuff like that. On the other side, same thing. We have here carpet, non-slip carpet under it, and another carpet. So that way it's really, really soft to play on. This right here, another planet with lots of rockets and stars and moons, everything. It's just so cool. And another play toy right here. As you can see, everything space. There's blanket with a crib and no mattress, so we gotta go out get mattress really soon. By the way guys, you know what it is? My Russian friends probably know what it is. It's Cheburashka and Gena. You see it says right here. When I was in Japan, I couldn't believe it. An anime store, they had whole floor devoted for Cheburashka. Pretty crazy. We have a lot more stuff we just haven't set up yet. As you can see, this right here, super cool piece. I guess it goes over the crib. Planets, astronauts, rocket, comets, beautiful. And then we went to Goodwill just to check out a couple things, and we stumbled upon books. And look at all these Dr. Seuss books. They're usually like 8 to 20 bucks, all of them. And guess what? 99 cents each children book at Goodwill. But you have to search it. Look at these amazing dinosaur books. So cool. Only 99 cents. All of this. And Space One. This is like such a cool book as well. I never seen anything like that. It's so entertaining and readable for kids. So all of this, 99 cents, you just have to get lucky and search through all of them. Saves a lot of money. It's still nothing. We want to get a lot more books, children books, especially Dr. Seuss. Those are very valuable. We only have that many. We want to get every single one of them. And of course, a Russian azbuka. Gonna teach my children Russian. Also, somebody sent me in a fan mail baby first MRE meal ready to eat 24-hour Russian pack. You know what? I got this in fan mail. This is so cool and thoughtful, and me and Katherine going to unbox it and see what's inside. I have no idea what it is, but yeah, we're gonna hand this awesome astronaut picture with planets like balloons. Amazing. So, I'm done. You wanna do the baby MRE?
Okay. Is baby gonna be big or small?
Yeah, comment below. Is baby gonna be big or small? We'll find out. Anyways, you ready to open it up? What do you think that is?
What does it say on it? 6 months and up. Okay, she's covered.
What? It says that? Oh yeah, for the comeback around 6 months and up. Okay guys,
I mean, like, I can feed her for the first 6 months, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's for after.
Ooh, there's a little box. Oh, it's a white box. Okay, one more time. Let's do this. Boom.
Oh,
What
it's
is
already
this?
cute. I see little stuff.
Ooh, what is
Aww.
that? Little bears.
There's little bears. Little
This is a
spoons.
feeding kids, like what is it? One of those like
Why
that
does this look so like?
It's a bib with a spoon, and what is that? Some kind of napkin, a
We
wet
have
nap.
8. Well, let's open one and keep one closed.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, it's a
Aw.
bib. Is it
That's
paper?
so cute.
Yeah, it's a paper bib. I like it. And what else in there? There's a few of them.
Gosh, it's so
No.
cute. The baby stuff is just so cute.
I agree. What is that?
These are eco-friendly, flushable wipes.
Oh wow, it's like toilet
Because
paper.
babies are messy.
And a spoon. This
And
is
so are
awesome.
terraces. Have you ever seen your MRE videos?
Super messy. Look, there's 3 of them. I like it. To go. We will need a lot more of them. No way, there's food.
Boom.
This is why it's MRE. It's actual food. You know what? This is why we did not open one of them.
So, spinach, zucchini, and peas. She hates all of that stuff already, I promise. But I'll make her eat it.
This is just carrots.
She likes carrots.
Okay, good. What
She
else?
likes cupcakes. No, she loves fruit. Banana, orange, pineapple.
Boom.
There was one day where I only ate fruit smoothies for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Look, this is strawberry fruit oat bar. I like it.
And this is probably the same. This is strawberry. Which
This
one was
is
this?
blueberry purple carrot crackers. Wow, this is such a cool MRE for
I
the
want a
babies.
taste test like right
I
now.
know. Should I taste this? No, I'm okay. Baby
But have
food
you ever
sometimes
had
it's
baby
funny.
food before?
Yeah. Some of it is good, some of it was not. But you know it's funny, they got all the food, just like MRE, bars and crackers, and the bibs and the spoon, like accessory pack. I
Like,
love it.
In an emergency situation, we need to keep it clean.
Yeah, baby's covered, you know? Very, very thoughtful gift. Thank you so much. There's actually a letter who it came from.
Dear Ross and Catherine, congratulations. When I heard on Instagram that you were expecting your first child, I figured I had to do something a little different for one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm sending you 2 24-hour baby MREs, and I hope you have great fun unboxing and tasting them. Ooh, you gotta
Ooh.
taste them. Maybe baby will taste test them in 6 months.
You know what? Fine, I'll taste it.
Or about a year.
Now that they ask me. Ooh, this is
Which
banana.
one did you open?
Banana, of course.
You should have tasted the gross one. Jennifer and Paul are thinking about launching this on eBay. So
That's
that's
cool.
cool.
I like it.
I think it's a cool little baby shower gift for people, for sure.
Look, it sticks. I like it. Where's my spoon? We're gonna do a taste test since it was super thoughtful. MRE. Banana is definitely delicious all day.
Who's not?
Very, very good. It's sour and
Should I
sweet.
try?
Yeah, it's really good. Just
It
don't-
does smell really good.
And this is strawberry oat food bar.
Okay.
Very good.
I do want to try that. I'm trying this one.
Okay.
Because I've seen my little nephews eat these.
Yeah?
And I
When
want
they
to
were
steal
children?
it from them. But I'm like, that's mean, so I don't.
Okay. You don't have a beep. What are you doing? Is it good?
Yeah.
Baby's food.
This is why people gain so much weight after they have kids.
Oh yeah?
Because they like eat their children's leftovers.
Oh yeah, and the children leftover food with high calorie and stuff.
Yeah.
It was delicious. Thank you so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want us to do more updates, how this room is going and everything, let us know. Give this video a thumbs up.
I basically slept through the first trimester. It's a little bit difficult. I didn't really get a whole lot of morning sickness, but I just didn't feel like myself. The last maybe 4 or 5 days, I've been feeling normal. Definitely.
Yeah. You're getting your energy back.
Yeah, and I felt the baby kick and stuff too. So, and that's pretty recent.
I haven't yet, so it's gonna be
Few
an
more
awesome,
weeks.
awesome moments.
I think Taras will cry.
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.